Hi, I'm Pat, Product Manager here at Warehouse Lighting. Today I'm excited to talk to you about our new vapor-tight fixtures by WareLight. These fixtures are available in 4-foot and 8-foot lengths with selectable wattage options of 40, 50, and 60 watt for the 4-foot fixture, 80, 90, and 100 watt for the 8-foot fixture. Built for tough conditions, these fixtures are UL listed, IP66 rated for wet locations, and meet NSF and NEMA 4X standards. Featuring a high flame retardant polycarbonate lens, quick disconnects between the housings, installation is both fast and efficient. If you need extra stability, stainless steel clips are also available. Let's take a look inside. Once inside, select the perfect color temperature for your environment with CCT options of 3500K, 4000K, and 5000K, achieving ideal lighting levels using 0 to 10 volt dimming functionality. WareLight stands behind its products with a robust 5-year warranty, ensuring long-term performance and reliability. These fixtures are perfect for factories, car washes, parking garages, outdoor canopy walkways, and barns. Included with all of our vapor-tight fixtures, you'll find stainless steel surface mount clips that make mounting easy and efficient. Contact us today to learn more. I'm Pat. Thanks for watching.